Let's explore the key challenges interface designers face and how wearables can solve them. 1. Content padding varies across pages, disrupting visual proportions. Wearables create consistent padding for balanced layouts. 2. Color changes in the design system become unmanageable as they affect countless elements. We can define unique color values for easy component updates. 3. Dark theme implementation often feels like navigating through a dark forest. We can enable seamless transitions between light and dark themes. However, using variables without understanding design tokens will not help. On the contrary, it will lead you even deeper in the dark forest. I invite you to my workshop, where we will explore design token structure, master variable settings, and learn common use cases to create more systematic design. Join us to make variables your trusted tool for illuminating your design journey.